So hello guys, for those who are working or has been working on BMW E30s, I have a question for you. So basically, I'm right now building a car, but it got vandalized. And as you can see, Speedo got basically destroyed. Some kids basically broke in and destroyed everything inside the car. So right now I'm trying to kind of like build it up and restore it. And yeah, the problem that I have now, I got a donor car from a Copart, and everything from that car gonna go into this one. But the thing is that, you see, this is like my Speedo, and mileage is 124,000 miles. On the donor one is 190,000 miles. Is it possible, and how it is even possible, to turn back odometer to the original 124,098 miles? And maybe you can give me some suggestions, or drop me some kind of forum thread or link to the place that can explain me how to do it and how easy it is. Or maybe if you're from England, and you can just message me or something, or if you have this experience with this and maybe you know how to do it, like I'm more than happy maybe give it you my Speedo, so you can just basically put the miles that are on this one on this. So because on MOT it still says like it's 120 something thousand miles, and I just don't want to basically put the car back on the road and it's gonna show up with 190,000 miles, and later on when I'm gonna figure it out myself how to turn it back, it will be kind of like looking ugly and suspicious on a MOT registry when then next time I'm gonna pass the MOT, which is like state inspection. And yeah, so yeah, this is my problem, and I'm kind of looking for some kind of solution for this problem. Okay, if you have some information, just feel free to drop me a message, comment underneath the video, or just you can send me a message on Instagram at handlecars. And yeah, thank you guys.